If you're not a black woman, keep scrolling because this content is not for you. Did you know that in 2022, in the United States, black women had a higher maternal mortality rate than any other demographic? There were approximately 50 deaths per 100,000 live births among black women. Now, let's put that into further perspective. For white women, it was 19 deaths per 100,000 live births. Hispanic women was around 16 deaths per 100,000 live births. And for Asian women, it was approximately 13 deaths per 100,000 live births. And I looked it up. In 2022, there were approximately 3.5 million babies born. So you do the math. Now we have to sit and think, why is this happening, and specifically, why is it happening to us? There are a few factors that go into this, and that is access to health care, underlying health conditions, and structural racism and implicit bias. And honestly, those second two definitely go hand in hand, but we don't like to talk about that. Now we wonder, how can we help this? What can we do to change it? Number one is bringing awareness. So if you are not a black woman and you decided to stay, thank you still for listening. And if you want to do something to help, talk about it. Let's start conversations about it. Let's bring more awareness to it. And even if you are a black woman and you don't plan on giving birth, I'm pretty sure you have sisters, aunties, cousins, friends who are eventually going to be pregnant in this system. And we want to make sure they have the happiest, healthiest pregnancy that they possibly can. And also, if you guys look at my page, most of you already know, and if you don't, I am a holistic fertility doula and a birth doula, and that's something else that you could do to help you advocate for yourself. Because honestly, when we get in the room with those white coats, it's hard for us to speak up for ourselves because we feel as though they know everything, and of course, we need to trust them. Which there's nothing wrong with that. However, it's good to know that you can advocate for yourself. Everything is consent based, and when you're in an environment that makes you feel more comfortable, then you're more comfortable knowing that you can do this for yourself. I said all that to say, let's start bringing more awareness to the maternal mortality rate amongst black women, and let's do something about it, okay? And as always, thank you guys. Bye.